Good day. I'm going to demonstrate the capability of handling small signal by AutoSet for the Common 2000 series oscilloscope. Two oscilloscopes will be used for this demonstration, including Instek GDS 2000E and Keysight DSOX 2008. First of all, set output for AFG 2225 as 4 millivolt P2P and 60 Hz, and input the signal to GDS 2000E and DSOX 2008. Under the normal condition, two DSO can successfully retrieve signals. But after pressing default and select AutoSet, we can determine which DSO has a better AutoSet capability if signals can be successfully retrieved. Hence, we press default for both DSO simultaneously and AutoSet as well. From both DSO, we can clearly see that GDS 2000E is better than Keysight DSOX 2008 in terms of small signal retrieval capability. This concludes my demonstration. Thank you.